Traumatic brain injury, or TBI, affects millions of people every year. Patients often ask, what is the most important step for my brain to recover? As a neurologist specializing in brain injury and cognitive recovery, I tell my patients that one of the most critical ingredients for healing is resetting the biological clock and restoring healthy sleep. Why sleep matters. Your brain does most of its repair work while you are asleep. During deep sleep, the brain clears toxic metabolic waste, restores neural connections, and helps rebuild damaged pathways. After a traumatic brain injury, the brain's normal rhythm, what we call the circadian or biological clock, is often disrupted. This can lead to insomnia, daytime fatigue, headaches, poor concentration, and memory problems. Without restful sleep, the brain simply does not get the opportunity to heal properly. Resetting the biological clock. One of the most important steps in TBI recovery is retraining your body's sleep cycle. This includes going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, getting morning sunlight, which helps reset the brain's internal clock, avoiding bright screens and heavy stimulation before bedtime, creating a quiet, dark, and comfortable sleep environment. When the biological clock resets, many patients begin to notice improvement in memory, attention, and overall brain function. Supporting brain recovery, sleep alone is not enough. Brain healing also requires several supportive habits. Regular physical exercise to increase blood flow to the brain, healthy nutrition and hydration, stress control and emotional support, cognitive rehabilitation or brain training exercises. These factors work together to help the brain build new neural connections and restore function. Recovery after a traumatic brain injury takes time, patience, and the right approach. But remember this important principle. If you restore healthy sleep and reset your biological clock, you give your brain the best possible chance to heal. Your brain is capable of remarkable recovery. This educational message is brought to you by Dr. Suresh Kumar, triple board-certified neurologist and founder of Regain Memory 360, advancing brain health through science and cognitive training.